Welcome to our deep dive into unifying approaches in politics. Today, we'll explore how successful political movements build broad coalitions by focusing on shared interests and common goals. This approach has historically been more effective at creating lasting change than divisive tactics. These objectives will guide our exploration of how to build effective political coalitions through shared interests. We'll examine real-world examples and develop practical strategies for implementing these approaches. Economic issues often serve as the most effective unifying force in politics. When we focus on shared economic challenges, we can build coalitions across traditional political divides. Everyone wants financial security and opportunity, making these issues powerful tools for unity. Healthcare consistently emerges as a powerful unifying issue because it affects everyone regardless of political affiliation. When we focus on ensuring everyone has access to quality healthcare, we can build broad coalitions across traditional political divides. Education is another powerful unifying issue that transcends political boundaries. Most people agree that quality education is essential for economic opportunity and social mobility. This makes it an excellent foundation for building political coalitions. Successful cross-demographic cooperation requires active effort to identify shared values and goals. By focusing on common challenges and aspirations, we can build strong coalitions that transcend traditional demographic boundaries. Effective communication is crucial for building and maintaining unity. By using inclusive language and focusing on shared experiences, we can create messages that resonate across different groups and build stronger coalitions. Implementing unifying approaches requires a systematic strategy. By following these steps and maintaining focus on shared goals, we can build and sustain effective political coalitions that create meaningful change. Remember that building unity is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and attention. By maintaining focus on shared interests and common goals, we can create lasting coalitions that effectively address society's challenges.